Ride with us.
And action. It's T with Arizona Riders Club out here at Arizona Auction looking at some of these vehicles. We are taking a look at a Cadillac SRX 3.6 liter North Star engine. Man, it's pretty clean. Got some issues with the interior right here, but nothing we can't fix. Looking pretty good in the back as well. Let's take it going around back. Pop the trunk. Don't make me go pop the trunk. Hello? Okay, this thing doesn't want to open. All right, we're gonna let that go right where it be. Looking good. Interior still okay. Couple slight nicks, dings, and dents, but no check engine lights. Got a little kerfuffle up there on the dash, but nothing the dash mat can't handle. You know what I'm saying? Let's get up under the skirt. Woo! Look how clean that is. Wow. Can you see it? Get out of the sun. Sheesh. Now I do hear a slight tick. V6 VVT direct injection. Man, this thing is clean. Yeah, ice cold AC. Take a look at that sunroof. Boom, boom. Yeah, it's looking good. Take a look at that console too. Wood grain in there, looking delicious. Let's roll that window up and enjoy this AC, shall we? Taking me out, DJ. Arizona Riders Club. Ride with us.